An aftermarket company has finally made some wiper blades that fit specifically the Subaru Crosstrek. That's important because previously the only direct fit wiper blades for this car were made by Subaru themselves, or at least they're packaged by Subaru themselves. Other general fit wiper blades would kind of fit this, but you had to modify them in order to get them to work right. Some of them had to be modified quite a bit to do that. Alright, so let's see what's in this box. One thing I didn't like is that there's no part numbers at all in this box. So you have to open it up and look at it to see if you got the right part in the first place. These do have the push button release like most of them do, but they also have these guides in here that match up with the design on the wiper arm. So here's the old modified wiper blade. There's a spray nozzle here, and this actually came up in the way of the spray nozzle, so I had to break away plastic here to get that spray nozzle to work. Also, on a previous set of aftermarket wiper blades, there was a cover that goes over top, and it wore away this mark on here, so the paint doesn't look great on here either. So there's no special tool you need for this. I'm just using a stick to push the button down. There it is. Now let's slide in this wiper blade and see how it fits. Nice. It fits perfectly. It lines up with the wiper arm, and this guide fits in here too. See this shaped guide in here? It's not perfectly the same shape as the Subaru one, but it does fit in there in such a way that it does keep it from rolling back and forth, which is what that's probably there for. If I try to twist this wiper blade relative to the wiper arm, it does not move. I like to take this protector off last because sometimes there's graphite on wiper blades, and if I'm handling it, it ends up all over my hands. And you want it to stay on the wiper blade. I'm going to check both sides with this review because historically aftermarket blades fit differently on the left and the right of this too. Alright, perfect fit. Now let's see how they wipe. So historically, finding wiper blades for this car has been a matter of either getting them from Subaru or cutting and splicing to make an aftermarket wiper blade work. Now with these, that's no longer the case. As for the lifespan on these wipers, as soon as I get some use out of them, I'll leave some feedback in the pinned comment below this video and give you an idea of how long they last. I know there are extra fancy brands that make longer lasting wiper blades than these, but these fit this car directly, and those other brands, not so much. These look to be about the same quality as the Subaru brand wiper blades, so whichever one you can get cheaper at the time, go for that. If you need to get these wiper blades, consider getting them from our Amazon Associates link down below. It'll help out the channel. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next Car Simplified video. Thanks for watching. Push the button down. There it is.